for a India versus Pakistan, if you want to watch a India versus Pakistan, you can't buy one ticket. You have to buy. So first they came up with a 7-match offer. Now they have taken the U-turn. They are only allowing 3 games. I'll come to the 3 games part. But what's the first part is? The first part is they when they started, they said that you have to take this 7-match package, and the games under it are India versus UAE, India versus Pakistan, then the Super 4 games, B1 versus B2, A1 versus A2, A1 versus B2, and A1 versus B1. So that will cost you around somewhere around 33,600 rupees as far as INR is concerned. 33,600 for these 7 games. And there are non-India games also. So you have to pay at least 1,400 dirhams, 1,400 dirhams for, to buy the whole package. So now the people, have, I just walked around and had some kind of conversation with certain people, and they are clearly saying that we don't want to watch, any non-India game. Let's come up with this offer with a 499 dirhams. So now they came up with this idea of let's spend 499 dirhams, and 499 when you are paying 499 dirhams, then you have to watch 3 games. And INR it will be somewhere around 12,000 rupees, 499 dirhams. Now you have a India versus Pakistan, a India versus UAE, and a Pakistan versus Oman. So again, people are saying that why we gonna see a Pakistan versus Oman game? Why we need to pay for that? So now what I think is that still there are tickets available for the India versus Pakistan game, and because they are not, the tickets are not going with that speed which they used to be. Now what they are thinking at this point of time, that at the very last point, when we see that there is hardly few days remaining, they will go for that, the simple thing that yes, buy ticket on 1 match basis, take these tickets, and you can watch